Dhaanish Ahmed College of Engineering proudly presents its learning management system, an advanced online assessment platform designed to enhance your skills and prepare you for every opportunity ahead. We believe every student deserves the right preparation. This platform is your personal space to practice, grow, and excel. Accelerate your placement readiness, track your progress in real time, and build confidence, not just scores. Your potential is limitless. Log in and start your journey today. Now, let's go through some basic information about our platform. Open the website in any browser. Enter your username as your college registration number. Your default password is Dhaanish$123. This password is common for all users and can be changed after login. Once you log in, click the down arrow next to your profile picture, select Preferences, and then click Change Password. Enter your current password, your new password, confirm the new password, and click Save Changes. Next, click on Dashboard or My Courses and select the course to access your course. There, you will find all the relevant course information. If you are unable to log in, please fill out the Google form with your details. Your issue will be resolved and communicated to you as soon as possible. All the very best, dear students.